வரும் ஓரேடாரோ பாரு.
Hello, hello. It's me, Goof. I'm back. You know, it's been several months. Like when did I last stream? Looking at my stream information from last time, it was for Lake for Pride Month. So I haven't streamed since June, and it's now December. That is 6 months. I have been gone for 6 months. And since I've been gone for 6 months, there have been things that have happened in my life, mainly ants. And they took over my apartment and the living room, and it was not comfy trying to do anything in the living room because I had to kill ants while I was sitting on the couch. And see, I streamed, my computer was in the living room, so I had to stream from the living room, and there were ants, and it was not a good time, and I was not having a great time, and then my back got bad. Yeah, so that was that. Then I got back into Dungeons and Dragons. I got back into Dungeons and Dragons with a fierce, it was very fierce, very obsession with Dungeons and Dragons. So I did not do anything related to Twitch for a while because of that. Or really anything. My whole entire life was just Dungeons and Dragons. It was pretty bad. And then only recently I got back into reading, and then that became my obsession for a good 1-2 months. And now I'm back on a Twitch kick. I'm back thinking about streaming. And that's mainly because the computer has been moved from the living room into my own bedroom, and that means I can stream at almost any time? Kinda? Yeah. Well, see, financially, I'm having issues. So I can stream almost any day, but I really shouldn't because I need to look for jobs. So I am doing that. In the meantime, I'm gonna be doing some Twitch streams. They will be kind of ad hoc whenever I kind of have time to do them. I do teach classes currently on Thursdays. I have a class tomorrow that I'm teaching, and then after that is the end of teaching classes for this year. I don't know if I will have this teaching job next year. Hopefully I will, but I won't know the schedule for the new teaching job until next year. So up until that point, I am pretty open during the day for streaming, so that's exciting. I just need to juggle to make sure I'm looking for jobs and streaming at the same time. Anyway, so one of the ideas I had coming back to Twitch streaming is what type of games I want to stream, and I'm still gonna stream video games. I've loaned out my Switch to my sister, so I won't be able to play Harvestella. I'm gonna drop Card Shark because it's been too long. And Card Shark requires memorization. They don't have an easy way of refreshing all the different the sleight of hand tricks that you can do. So I'm going to drop playing Card Shark, unfortunately. But I do want to continue Harvestella. That one is not too hard to pick up because they actually have the controls on screen. So I can probably continue playing that one. But I will not be able to play Switch games until my sister gives me back my Switch, which will be in January when the Trace Memory collection comes out. My sister was able to hold on. Yeah. What was I saying? There was a bad message. Yeah, so the Trace Memory collection is coming out. I have played both games long ago. You might be wondering, how did I play the sequel? Well, that's because I hacked my Wii and unlocked the region and bought the European disc, so I was able to play it in English, and it was good. It was a solid game. I'm excited to see if they made any changes to the subtitles or anything to make it for American audiences, but it's probably not going to be any different. I am interested in seeing like how they translated the DS game to the Switch. I'm for Trace Memory, the first one. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to be doing is streaming Harvestella and Trace Memory together until I finish Trace Memory, and then I was able to pre-order Princess Peach, the new Princess Peach game that's coming out in February or March? I don't know. It's some month in 2024. So I'll also play that on stream. Yeah, so that's that for video games. I also bought, no, I didn't buy, there were some free games. I found some free games on Steam, and they might be horror, but they're Yuri, they're like girl GL stuff, and I'm a big fan of GL stuff, so I might play that on stream while I'm waiting to do some video game stuff. Yeah, so since I got into Dungeons & Dragons again, I was like, I think I should stream Dungeons & Dragons, but for me, if I want to stream Dungeons & Dragons, I want it to be presentable, because the idea... So how I got into Dungeons & Dragons again is because I joined a server that has like over 1,000 people on it, and it's West Marches style, so people can join a one-shot at any time, and different people, you meet different people in each session pretty much. It's not a campaign where you have the same characters all the time. So I was thinking of translating that to my streams, where if you're a person on that server, you can play in my one-shots that I'll do every 1 week or so. Yeah, so that makes it difficult for like art in terms of like character art, because for sure these people have character art, but it's usually taken from the internet, and I don't want to get into that legal battle. I think it'd be very difficult to find the reference, like a credit to the right person. It's not always easy to find that for art, and then some people are using AI art. The other problem is like my channel art-wise is all pixel art, so it's like it won't match the art style of the channel. So my brilliant idea was to make default avatars for each player. So like I would do some of the races, and then make it so the skin color can be changed, the hair color can be changed, and then some default clothing that you can pick from. So a player can be like, oh, I'm an elf with blonde hair and it's long. And I'll be like, okay, I'll give you this avatar, a blonde-haired elf. That would be the default avatar. And if they're like, man, I really want one of my characters specifically, then I'd be like, okay, commission me. It'll be $10 and you can have your little avatar on screen with your actual character. Hey, Dragon Brethren, welcome in. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Yeah, I have been thinking about it. Yeah, and I hope that this works out. And this way it lets anybody join a stream if you don't have character art. So it's like these templates that you can use. And then if you do a commission, I will make it so it specifically looks like your character, and also you can keep the artwork as well for any future needs or whatever. Yeah, and then to make things even harder on myself, so the server uses Avray. The server's on Discord, and it uses Avray, which is a dice rolling bot, a Discord bot, and it will roll dice for you, and it also connects to D&D Beyond. And if you don't know what D&D Beyond is, it is a website where you can create character sheets for your characters in D&D. We use Avray on that server almost entirely. There's very few people that you don't use Avray to roll their dice and get whatever, like attacks or skill checks and things like that. So my idea was to write a Discord bot that reads the messages from Avray and will connect into my Twitch stream. So it will roll virtual dice. It will roll the dice that the player rolled. So let's say they rolled a D20 and it rolled a number 20 on it. There's a website that lets you roll a virtual die. Let me see if I can get it. Hold on. Bot stuff. Scrolling. Here we go. And so this site here will roll dice for you. So if I throw it, it has like the dice on here, and it has a green screen, so you can chroma key it out on your stream, and it'll do like the numbers for you and show the total. And what's really cool about this is that the URL is customizable using URL parameters, so I can change everything and then specify like, oh, if in Avray they rolled a 20, then I can set the die to be 20. It's this notation here, which is rad. I can then make people see what the dice are rolling rather than showing a message of my Discord chat list, which I could do, which would be like the low res version of this, low effort, janky. I don't know. I personally wouldn't be happy with it, because I think it'd be really fun to have these dice rolled on my Twitch stream, along with the player, what their roles are. So I was gonna write a Discord bot to read Avray messages to roll the dice in my Twitch stream. So that's like the first step. I have like a really big idea for how to do this, and it also involves like oh, and then the other part is like the avatars. I'm gonna code in so that your Discord ID links to your avatar art, so it'll like light up or speak. I think I'm gonna just have it light up for right now, because I think speaking is like too much artwork to deal with. And that was, I think, so it was gonna be that piece plus the dice rolling. So it's gonna be those two things. Then I also need to make some artwork, because I usually do theater of the mind sessions instead of ones with maps. I'm gonna try and do more map-based D&D sessions for streaming, just because then there's something on screen. But I do want to like handle the situations where I have to do theater of the mind for certain parts. So some of the art that I'm going to be doing is also like backgrounds, so like a forest scene, a city scene, a grassland scene, several other different kinds of scenes, maybe a cave, just to make it so that there is something visual for the viewers on Twitch to see, and also for the players as well. Some stretch goals or version 2.0s is integrating the initiative tracker in Avray with my stream, so it'll have a list of who's going when, and then little pictures of the enemies and things like that. But that one's more complicated, and it requires more artwork, and I'd probably have to draw art for all the enemies every week if I'm going to be streaming once a week. Anyway, so for today, I have several things I'm going to be trying to do. I want to work on doing the avatar characters for D&D for each player. That's what I want to do, but the other part is figuring out a layout for how I'm going to display D&D on this on this channel. I'm feeling like I want to do a different background. Like I you know, I love cats and I'm a cat. But like D&D does have cats and there are races that are cats or felines. But I feel like usually when you think of D&D, it's like castles, dungeons, and I kind of want to like make the background vibe fit that theme. And then for my PNG tuber, I'm probably gonna do a different outfit or at least a different pose. I have to decide what I want to do. Speaking of VTubers, I actually am working on a live 2D version of myself. It's very hard because pixel art is not intended for live 2D, and I am fighting and struggling with the idea of rotating pixels and stretching pixels, and I don't want to do that. As a pixel artist, that hurts my heart. So I am now thinking of doing a 3D model and writing a shader to pixelate it. That's where I'm at now. I definitely watched videos on this for like 5+ hours yesterday, so you know, maybe one of these art streams is gonna be 3D modeling. I'm gonna first try and do the D&D stuff because at least that's like done, and I can then play some D&D games on the server, on the Twitch streams. But like the avatar can wait. Like it's not something that needs to be done right away. Cause look at me, I'm already talking. Little head bobbing. I'm good. I'm good. I just want like more flexibility, you know. But it's not really necessary. So anyway, going back to this. So here's the current scene. So I was gonna do max of 5 players for these one-shots, and so I need to make sure that 5 player avatars appear on screen at the same time, and then maybe if there's less than 5 players, either code something so it programmatically separates them out into 4 or 3 or whatever, or just manually do that. I don't know which one. Why there's no other qualities? My internet can't handle it. Oh no, I'm sorry! How do I... Is there a way for me to do that? Let me see. I have an excellent stream. No changes. Twitch inspector. No, that's not what I want. Is there a way to change, like, the stream resolution? Let me Google that. Hold on. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, go ahead. Drop the stream link in the Starry Shore. Speaking of the Starry Shore, for those who were here earlier and were listening to my D&D talk, that is actually the server where I got hooked back into D&D, and Asiel is the owner of the server. So, check it out. Let me find the link. Oh, I don't have that Discord open. Hold on. Where is the URL? Asiel, if you want to drop the server link in chat, maybe I'll make a, like, alert or, like, a command. That's what I'm looking for, a command for that. Copy server ID, no. I want to share invite. Copy link. Twitch. Go to my channel. The story. Sure. Discord server link. There we go. So if you are interested in checking it out, go ahead. It's really cool. There's a lot of people people who are knowledgeable about D&D and can help you. If you've never played Dungeons and Dragons before, it's great. You can be a beginner, and people will definitely help you out making your character. The one gotcha is you do start at level 3. But honestly, level 1 is kind of boring. I personally like running things at starting from level 1 if I'm doing a campaign, but level 3 is a great starting place for getting your class abilities, because everybody gets their, like, subclass, so they actually can, like, you can customize what you're doing with your character, whereas levels 1 and 2, you generally don't get to do that with classes, so level 3 is that kind of, like, first break point of doing some cool stuff. So Asiel, in terms of the qualities for streaming, I have to be a partner to actually change that. So I cannot do different stream sizes, but I'm wondering if this is accidentally streaming at 4K. I just switched to a 4K monitor because I moved everything in here, so I'm wondering if it's doing that. Settings? OBS settings? Stream. Server, service, no. Output. Streaming. Video bitrate, that's, Coder preset slow. Is that a good video bitrate? I am not quite knowledgeable in this. No, I'm streaming at 1080p. Okay. Alright, well, I can't change the stream to anything else other than 1080p 60, so I'm really sorry, CL. I apologize. Anyway, going back to D&D. So here we are in Sprite, the Pixel program. So I want to size this for 5 characters, and my idea was to have it on the bottom here, and I'm thinking, because it's a web browser, if I'm displaying maps or anything, so I think I can ignore this 1280 by this 1080p section that I shrink down, because I could just make the web browser smaller. Hard questions. I just feel like this small area is not big enough for, like, faces. Like, I feel like it needs to be just a little higher over here for having each avatar displayed at, like, a nice spacing and, like upper chest level. Now, I could do just faces, because if I'm going the clothing route, what I was thinking of was making clothing for each type of armor. And then if you're like, oh, my character is from a modern world, he's wearing a t-shirt, then that would be like a commission, because I'm going to just stick to like medieval styling for things. But maybe it'd just be easier to do heads? I don't know. I feel like heads are kind of weird if they just float. But that's all that can really fit down there if I want to keep this at the 1920 by 1080 resolution. Yeah, I think... I guess I could shorten this so it's like a bit smaller. I'm gonna need to do some math for that. Calculator. Thank you, calculator app. All right, so 1920 divided by 8, so that is 240 is the width in pixel ratio. And then what is 1080 divided by 8? It's 135. Oh, fuck, it doesn't divide easily. Would it be out of the way to do neck, stump, shoulders for the armor types? I was thinking of that too. Yeah, so it would just be like upper, like from the shoulders and up. I think it probably wouldn't be too much, considering I feel like only the heavy armor really sticks out on the neck. Yeah, exactly, Dragon Brethren. Yeah, that was the idea I was having. Yeah, because I guess if it's like leather armor, like the leather armor sets, I like studded leather, maybe I'll add a little stud in there on the shoulder or something, which wouldn't be much work. And then for the, what's the other one? I think there's like a fur one. Let me, hold on. Let's put a Google browser over here. Just a moment. Need to do some things. Okay, so sources, player's handbook, armor and shields. So if we're looking at what we've got, let me zoom in. Hopefully that can be shown on screen right now. I'll zoom in one more. So like padded and leather, it's gonna, I think that's like the same thing. Also, whoever the heck has padded armor, I don't even think any character starts with padded armor. Like, I think you have to buy that. You usually start with leather or studded leather. So like, I don't even know if I need to do padded. And then hide is almost, most characters don't start with hide. You start with a chain shirt or scale mail. So I would do one for hide, I guess. Welcome back, CL. I dropped the Starry Shore Discord server link in chat. I can't see the Starry Shore server right now, because I am on a different account on my Discord. It's only Goofaflounder in a goofy place, so I guess I could look at it on my phone. But anyway, what was I talking about? Armor, yeah. So chain shirt, scale mail. I could see doing something specific, because it's, you know, scaly, and probably like a green armor. No, I could probably still do silver. Chain shirt. Yeah, breastplate and half plate. I feel like breastplate and half plate you could do like the same one. Ring mail and chain mail probably look about the same. Yeah, I don't think pixel art is gonna like change this in any way to make it like less than chainmail. Or this is ringmail too. That is a bit different, but that's mainly on like the chest area. That's not really on the on that one. But it goes back to like nobody owns padded hide and ringmail. I could see ringmail because like it's the cheapest heavy armor, and somebody moving from medium to heavy could pick it. But like I've never heard anyone buy ringmail. Like I don't know. Usually it'd just be chainmail. Splint. Oh, that is two Upupupus. Why was there two Upupus? Breastplate versus half-plate is only visible below the bust, so shoulders up would look similar enough. Yeah, so maybe breastplate and half-plate is just leather armor, because usually you're wearing leather armor with those. Also, why did the Upupu go twice? Am I crazy? Did everybody hear Upupu twice? Let me see. Is it because I'm on Twitch? Tablet. Hey, welcome in, Mancart. Long time no see. You had to try it? No. Thank you for trying it. I had to change all my settings because I've moved my computer into my room. You heard it once. Okay, then I am hearing it on my end twice. Let me see why. I think it's because I have Twitch open. Okay, now it only ran once for me. Alright, well, it's cool. Anyway, oop-poop-poop-poop-poo. And I love Danganronpa. Via system sounds in second via OBS monitor. You're right. Let me check OBS monitor. Anybody? No, not that. See, the thing is that I'm currently listening to the OC remix music from my tablet, so I'm using a sound mixer to get the computer sounds and the tablet. And I also had the Twitch stream chat open on my tablet, so I'm thinking that's where it came from. And now I'm not hearing double, so it's cool. As long as you all are hearing it once, that's the important part. Anyway, welcome in, Mancart. We're talking about Dungeons and Dragons because I'm doing pixel art for Dungeons and Dragons, and I'm trying to figure out what to do about armor, and we've been discussing that. Oh, speaking of oh-ho-hos, one of the Yuri light novels that I read, and I support the author on their Pixiv account. Oh, why is it running multiple times? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What? Hold on a second. What is going on? My bot is broken. Promise, what happened? Response code 404. Okay. Hold on, let me... Huh. Well, I turned into a bird. Let me see if the change avatar fox. The starfish is pretty cursed. Oh, you're a cat now. I don't know why the bottom one isn't turning you into a cat. There is... Did I forget? No? Yeah, I'm a cat. That's not a fox. Bear? Alright, something's broken. And I don't know how to fix it. Was I supposed to open another window? Oh, and the puzzle isn't working now. Unexpected end of JSON. Okay. I'm gonna... It's not UCL, it's my code. I'm gonna restart some stuff. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Alright. It's gonna break some stuff. Okay, and then I need to refresh things. Oh, does this change the scene? Studio mode. Okay, and then little avatars. Okay, let's see if that worked. Okay, I'm gonna avatar join. I am a bear. Okay, let me cat. Oh, no, it didn't work. Oh my god. Maybe this will be a coding stream. Maybe I have to figure out the code. The chat bot is working, but the little avatars are not working. You are a cat, but it's not changing the little avatars. Like, I shouldn't be a bear anymore. I should be a cat, so... It's not getting the data file. Yeah, okay. There's something going on. I'm gonna... This'll be a coding stream now. Asset, avatars... Am I supposed to open 3 programs? I thought I only opened 2. It's been so long since I've streamed that I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it was 3. No, CL, thank you for doing this. This is important. I thought I combined it. What is it called? Overlay. No. Okay. All right, let's do a coding stream. Let's look at some code, and we're gonna fix up this bug. Oop, poo, 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 indeed. I am in despair. Oh. All right. It's thinking, alright, is this text big enough? Zawa Zawa. Yes, very Zawa Zawa. Alright, okay, I don't need the release notes. Please. Alright, so the little avatars are not changing, and I have several files. I believe I converted one of these files to do multiple things. And it's supposed to send messages out, and it's not. Let me see. Okay, chatbot is its own thing. I do not remember any of this code, it's been so long. That's getting pronouns, get avatars. Overlay, what is the package.json? Concurrently, Node.js channel points. Oh, okay, so I created a channel points one. Yes, we have the custom reward. I updated my OAuth and client ID and user ID. This should all be correct, so that's fine. We do a WebSocket. Well, the channel... We're getting the connection, I believe. Because it's seeing it. Little avatars overlay? No, I don't want the node. Oh, it's just node modules. Chat overlay, channel points. Okay, so is chatbot? Where is this shared? This is a JSON file. What is this? Yes, this is done. We're doing this shared user output, user. Create moving avatar. Oh! Is the file not built? But let me okay. Okay, let me move this over. Oh, can't zoom in. Okay. So I'm gonna close the other ones that I have open. So this is gonna close. This is gonna close. I'm gonna npm run build. slowly running. My computer is not on an SSD hard drive, it's on the old HDD, I think it's called. Good old, you know, decades old hard drive. What is two decades? Oh, it's thinking. It's going. Okay. Well, let's try running this again. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna now reset things. Twitch chat. Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, that's been refreshed. We have a WebSocket. Alright, let's try this. Avatar cat. Avatar join. I'm a cat. Avatar goofanader. I am not changing. Okay, so there is something going on with the moving avatars code for the find change. Console.log. Okay, so I do have a console. It would be in here. Who loads moving avatars? Is it overlay? Is it chatbot? No, it's channel points is the parent. Comfy got shared channel name. Yes, this is the parent, and then chatbot is the one that reads things. And I'm doing a WebSocket here. Oh, why is this so complicated? Oh my god, what did I write? What did I fucking write? Like, why did this have to be months ago? I would have known what the bug was, but now I really don't know what the bug is. It's clearly something to do with the changing avatars. We have the client here added. Let me check the other one. Nope, not that one. This one. It's Goofbot. This is Goofbot. So chatbot is Goofbot. You unleash the demons of coding to haunt me. It's true. Okay, so chatbot. So appropriate. Chatbot does that, and moving avatars, console.log. So moving avatars is not running. No, it is running. Right, it's a console.log. Oh, okay, I know what I need to do. I need to open this in a URL. That's what I need to do. Properties, give me this URL. This one. Nope, not page source. Inspect. Let's look at this. Ah, good old console. Hello. Alright. So, I'm going to do some messaging. I'm gonna do avatar join. Okay, there I am. And avatar goofanader. Okay, that console message did not happen. That's no good. Moving, not the HTML, JS, moving avatars. Okay, console.log, or let's do create change. Okay. Let's try avatar cat. Is it did not pause? Oh, it is. What is changing avatar queue length? It is 0 function update. It's 0. When does this get set? Set outfit. Set avatar. Here we go. This is what I want to look for. Okay, that's an update loop. I don't want that. Alright, so avatar goofanader. It's not even running. Where did that breakpoint go? Function set avatar. Oh! Is that the bug? Is that the bug here? Avatar cat? No? Okay, I'm gonna do another command. There we go. We got something. Oh. I'm ignored. None of this works. I'm a dumbass. Alright. Well, hold on a second. Okay, I need to make myself not that. So it'd be in here. Data. Where am I? Is it command times? Chat avatar users. Chat avatars? Where am I ignored? Later, custom. Yes, that's custom. Moving avatars? Ignore. Let's delete myself from there. Okay. Alright. We're gonna refresh the page. And gonna That should just run perfectly. Nope, that did not run perfectly. Okay, now I'm gonna avatar goofanader. Okay, avatars equals data. And if I step over, okay, we have that. Step over. Moving avatars user, that's me, dot avatar is cat does not equal right. It should go through. Goofanator changed avatar to goofanator. But it didn't. It did not. Is that because there's a new version of Phaser? Okay, I think I'm gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna go to the update. Okay. Okay, it does have something in it, alright. Get new duration. Okay, avatar cat and goofanator. Okay. That looks right. Is the play not working or something? Is there something wrong with Phaser, maybe? Well, but the animations are working. This is setting the future animation info. Wait, what? Why did it come back here? Ah, this one's gonna keep going. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it seems like the bug is related to phaser, which is what I'm using to change animations and things like that. I don't know why it's not loading, because I'm pretty sure I load all of the sprite sheets at the beginning. Do I need like a new phaser version or something? .70, 3.55. Okay, sure, we'll download the latest. Where is it? Here we go. The current stable version. I want the min.js, I think? Well, let me check. Shared. Would it just be in moving avatars? How did I do this? Did I put it in here? Is there phaser in here? No. No phaser in here. How am I getting phaser loaded? Thunder? No, that's jQuery. I'm so confused. Oh, okay, let me search. Phaser. What is the min.js called? Phaser.min.js, yes. Oh, it's on the HTML. That's where it is. It is on the web page. Moving avatars here. Okay, we want... Oh... Nope, this is the phaser. Okay, we want 3.7.0. Try that. Okay. Alright, let me try this. Avatar cat. Okay, there I'm a cat. Nope. Is it because of this bug? Is that what's causing it? Okay, hold on. Let me see if that bug is what's causing the issue and things aren't changing. Okay, new avatar is bear. Goofanader. Where is moving avatars coming from? Let me go back into the code. Okay, moving avatars is just empty? Go back to where the code is. Moving avatars is empty. There is no user. Get user avatar. That's what it should be doing here. That new avatar. No, that's... User is equals new avatar update. Okay, let me just update this code. Line 1 and 34. Nope, that's not it. Where's the ANP? There we go. Try that. Let's try that. I'm gonna, so what I'm doing here is checking if this array even has the user, it's not supposed to go incorrectly there. Okay, let me try that. Okay, now... Okay, I wrote that wrong. I'm great at programming. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh. Well, I'm a jellyfish. Saying... What goes into moving avatars? Okay, let me try that. I added a step. Oops, not what I wanted. Wrong button. What's that? Okay, one more time. Alright, I see a cat. Good. Nope. Well, that fixed a bug, but that did not fix the bug. Also, its goofbot didn't show up. Display name goofanader. Avatar goofanader. It does change the animations. Wait, its goofbot is not working. Oh, that's because I forgot to turn on goofbot, that's why. Oh! Did it work? Hold on. Okay, it's working now. Woohoo! Okay, I was wondering why I was a cat and now it's because I don't have a model for that. Okay. All right. Well, I did it. It's done. Cool. Cool. Gonna ignore myself again. Alright, that's that. Gonna build it in here. Gonna refresh this page. Okay, and refresh the text. Alright, well, is anyone still here? Who's in chat? Hold on. Dragon Brethren and CL, could you two attempt to change your avatars again and see if it works? Oh, and Honk is now off. Cool. Loving it. Close this one. Okay, that's done. Alright. Let me fix Honk. Y'all gonna see something crazy for a moment. Actually, let me just hide myself for a moment. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, that's better. For some reason, Honk... I'm using Honk to, like, move my face and do the words, but I think depending on the runtime, it just stops working very well. So yeah, anyway. I'm finally done! The bug should be fixed. Hopefully. If anybody wants to talk and chat, you are welcome to, but now I think people have probably already left. Anyway, going back to D&D and going to the actual topic, which was art. So it looks like for equipment, we can just kind of, for most of this, we can... It's only like maybe 4 or 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leather, probably 6, 7, maybe 10, 6, 7, 8, 8. It should be fine. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the... What? Unlock every exclusive perk? I pay for the highest tier. What's going on here? What is this? I'm already on the master tier. Hello? Hello? Okay, I'm not gonna look at my subscription on here. Weird. Alright. Anyway, so what I was gonna do was I was gonna do avatars for the basic rules ones and start with those and basically tell people that if they don't have that race, they can't join the stream because I'm gonna keep working on adding more. Now, some of these races I can use the same face and ears and probably hair. So like dwarf, elf, gnome, half-elf, halfling, human. I think all of those could use the same basic face shape and hair. I know dwarfs are a bit more like thick and, you know, halflings are tiny, but like you can't see the body down below, so it's not a big deal. And then for elves and gnomes, it's like just pointy ears. Like it doesn't need to be super fancy. Half-elf, just a slightly pointed ear. Now, Dragonborn is definitely going to be its own thing. Half-orc, we can keep that pointy ear, but I think for the mouth, we give them... the mouth will have the teeth pointing up. Tiefling would be the human face, but then I need to add some horns for the model. So, yeah. Alright, let's start with the classic human. And I guess this goes back to the conversation of... What's the size? I closed the calculator. I really shouldn't have closed the calculator. Okay, so 1920 divided by 8 is 240. And then 1080 divided by 8 is 135. I think that's how big my canvas is. Sprite canvas size? It's 240 by 135. Oh, okay, okay. So that's that, and then How big is the BG? Is this what it is? No. Dots. Background? Game. It's this one. Yes. Game is... It is 192 by 108. 192 by 108. How much of a difference is that? Uh, 0.8. So it's a 0.8 reduction. Okay. So that's cut an eighth. 192, 108 is the screen real estate that I have. So the height is 108, but the width is 192. Where's a piece of paper? Where's like a post-it note? Use a post-it note. So 192 by 108 for game screen. Then it's 240 by 135 for canvas. Okay, so let's say I do the width of 192, because that's for sure the width of the whole thing. And then I could change how tall the browser is. Yeah. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Maybe shrink it? Hold on. Oh, I need more math. Okay, so if I 1920 all that. Okay, 1920 times 0.8 is that 5 by 8. Okay, I did the math right. So let's drop it 1920 times 0.6 and 1080 times 0.6. Okay, so we have, what's the history? 1152 by 648. Okay, well that cut, okay, let's try, so divide by 8. Nope. Is 81, so that gives me 81. And 1152 divided by 8 is 144. Okay, it cuts just fine with no decimals. So if I were to change our game scene, I can just do another new layer. I want a name on it. I'm going here. No. Okay, I want 81 for the height. $81 for the height, and then $144 for the width. And I'm gonna fill that with, let's just fill it with purple for right now. Okay. So if I zoom out, that would be how, that's small. .6 is a little too small. What if 0.75? 10, 20 times 0.75. Woo! That was loud. So 1440 by... Okay, so 1440 divided by 8 is 180. 810 divided by 8. Oh no. That doesn't add up well. Oh no. Well, it's close enough. We could just crop it. Okay, doing it by 7 is still also not good. So it's either the big one or the small one. There's nothing in between because it doesn't get the, it's not good division for the pixel art. Well, what if I just did this? The problem is this is not perfect. Because if I do it this small, then I have like a space for the initiative tracker and a lot more space for placing characters down here. But I would have to zoom this in. This is not really big. I was looking at other people's D&D streams, and the way that they had it is that the game screen wasn't that big, to be honest. But I'm wondering... Okay, I'm gonna try this in OBS. I'm gonna put in a map, and we're gonna see how it looks. So, what's it called? Owlbear Rodeo. I'm gonna sign in on here. Okay. We'll do this one. Oh no, 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 no. Oh wait, no, this is fine. Let's do this one. Okay, so we have this screen, and let me pull this out. And can I make it full screen? Nope, let's find F11. Okay, so we have that, and then I'm gonna make this smaller. Hold on, I need to check what the size is on here right now. Okay, so that's the original size. So I'm gonna shrink this down to, I don't want to lock it anymore. So I'm gonna shrink it down to, let's try the 0.6 version. That does not look easy to see. If I zoom in, is it okay? I'm waiting for Twitch to catch up. Yeah. If I were to put a token on here, is it visible? Okay. Alright, if I zoom in, it's not bad. Okay, I think then I'm gonna leave it at this size resolution for the D&D screen for the map. And then that gives me a lot more room for adding character art. It does mean it's gonna be higher than like their shoulder, but I think that's good. I think I'm okay with that. Transform, set this back to alright, cool. Okay, then I'm gonna go with that size. I think it's good. So going back to a sprite, that gives me this amount of space, this amount of space, and this amount of space. So if I want to 144 by 81, right? 144 by 81. That is the size. So the canvas is 135 height, so I get some numbers for the thing. It's 135 minus 81. I get, that did not type everything. Why is it not pressing 3? 135 minus 81. Okay, 54. We get 54. Okay, 54 for the height. Boop, 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 boop. CL, welcome back. Could you test typing in chat? I just want to make sure that you can change your avatar now. I fixed a bug. I think that was what was causing the issue. Your new fave thing to do is ooh-poo-pooing? It kind of sounds like you're poo-pooing. It's okay. It was the Japanese that came up with that laugh, so it's fine. 54 height. No, it did not work. It was working on my computer. Urgh. Whatever. I'll deal with it later. Poop on this. Big poopies. Wait, did I run the code over again? I think I did. I think I rebuilt it. Okay, whatever. I'll just leave it. It's fine. NBD. I was gonna work on art, so I'm gonna do that and then maybe take a look at this issue later. The problem is I have to do this with like other users because it's clearly not like it worked when I did it, but Oh, CL, could you try it manually? Like do could you do avatar let's try a bear. Can you do ! avatar space bear like what I just did here? Instead of doing the redeem, because that might be a bug. Okay, 54 height, and then I have the width is 144. 144 does not divide by 5, but that's because I'm adding lines in between, which I think if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that should be 4 lines, so it should be 50. So each is 50 divided by 5. I can do math. Oh my god. Is 10. That doesn't seem right. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm looking at the wrong math. 140 divided by 5, and I can't do that math on the top of my head. It's 28. That's right. Okay, so that is the size of an avatar. Maybe shorten it a little bit so I can have a border on top, so it'll be 53. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new file. The width is 28. Yeah, I think this should be right. Width is 28 and height is 53. Index, transparent, okay. That. Okay. So I'm gonna and this will be So sketch, we're gonna do, let's see, we can do a head here. And okay, that's kind of big. It's very tall. But like if I wanted to do cat ears, like for the cat people, it might actually be good to have it tall. If I were... Yeah? Yeah, returned. Dragon Brethren, it did not, because CL tried changing it to Fox and it did not change the Fox. If you want to try, you could try changing to a different animal, but I don't think it worked. It worked when I was testing, but now it's not working again, so I don't know what's going on. I think it's a bug with the channel points, because I only tested with the, what's it called? Oh my god. I only tested with the commands in chat and not with channel points. So that might have been the problem, but I'm gonna continue working on art now, because I was planning on doing that first, so... Okay, that is... Let's just fill this in right now. Oh my god, no. What did I do? Nope, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so this would fit right here. Go right here. And... I did my math wrong. Yahoo! I did my math right for this screen. Okay, hold on. That's definitely within the lines. I don't need it to be wider though. Because if I do it this way, then I could have an initiative tracker all the way down across, but initiative tracker doesn't go that big. Okay, let me do my math again. So the width is incorrect for game screen, so 192. So I need to 192. Where's my calculator? 192 minus 4 is 188. I need to lose. It's either minus 2. No, it's just, it's 188. $37.6. So we just do 37, and then we just have an extra space at the end. Like, that's not a big deal. I think. Let me... Keikaku as planned. For sure, yeah! Okay, you can just hang out there. I'm gonna do a new one. The width is not 28, it is 37, and the height is 53. Okay. Okay. And then just gonna draw a sketch. Yeah, that's good enough. And then just fill it with color. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, please. There we go. Okay. How many pixels off is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay. I feel like... Ooh, poo, 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 poo. You're not sorry. Okay, my problem with this is the heads don't... It's just too much body. Like, I would rather it just be like that. But then if I'm having the screen be this small, what is this blank space here for? You have Monokuma as a character in Toko's server? Oh! Yes. I had to go on a website that has like people that have ripped game audio, and I found that oof 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 sound effect. Yeah, let me give you the file. I need to add this soundboard. Yeah, hold on. Let me go find it. Not artwork. Overlay? www. Assets. Sounds. Haha? Is it under haha? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. I can't... Okay, I'm trying to transfer it to the other Discord. Or to you. Let me try it on my phone. Did it download? Hopefully. Oh. Okay, I think I sent it to you. That's the sound clip I use in MP3. If you need a .ogg, I don't think I have an OGG file. I got several emails. Okay, alright. Oops, wait, hold on. My phone, I need to switch it back to Touch Portal. It's pretty perfect, yeah. There's some other oop-poo-poos that I found in there, but they aren't the classic oop-boop-boop-boop-boo, which is what I wanted. And this one is that classic one, so... Okay. So I have this dead space here right above their heads, and I know that's because there's some space for that, like horns and things like that. I mean, I do need space for them to jump up, because I think I'm gonna do... Well, I was thinking of doing, like... It was, like, lighting up rather than jumping, but if I have this much space to work with, like, it's very vertical, I could definitely have it jump up instead and just extend a bit past the head. But that means I have to draw more of the body. And then with this screen being set to that size, it would almost be better to have it the full size and then having these sprites just be lower on the screen. So it would fill out the full screen length. I did space them so there's a border. Which means I should have it in like a square. I will be right. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is very frustrating. I don't know. I don't know. Because if I do... Oh, thank you, CL. If I have them spaced out, there's clearly a border here, like this. Here, let me zoom in. Wrong thing. So I have spacing here in between each character, but if you notice, their shoulders are still going out because in this sprite they're not the full space. Like, they don't fit in this space. So it's either I make them... It's like I need, like, a border around the characters. Optionally, they overlap, but I don't feel like that'd be great. Alternatively, I move myself from the corner, and then these get spaced out more so you can get the full shoulder. And where would I go, though? Because I'm kind of occupying a 6th spot right now, in quotes. Okay. I'll take a sippy of water. Let's take a sippy of water. Screen size being that small, I'm going with it. Let me... Okay, see you later, Seal. Thank you for joining. Let's do a green box so I can really see it. Oh, wait.
Amazing, astonishing, not bad.
I need to hide everything else. Yeah? I think it's good. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would look. It is pretty big though. But the space, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grab this and put it in OBS and let's see how that looks. What am I calling this? D&D avatars. PNG. Actually, it can be a JPEG. Size, I want it to be 800. Visible layers, all frames. Selected frame. Export. Quality 10. Good enough. Okay. And if we go into OBS, and then what is the size for it? 15. No, that's the regular one. 1152 by 648. And then let's get Owlbear back up. Yeah? Hold on. I mean, the people are bigger than me on the screen. I would have to do a different PNG tuber size. Yeah. Oh, and Honk is off again. Okay. Yeah, and then that gives me space for like initiative tracker or to do a temporary like Discord messaging in it. So like if I did this, display game capture? Video window capture. That's exactly it. Okay. Do not want to capture the cursor. Okay, and I want to crop this. There's a way to crop. Is it Control? No. Is it Shift? No. Is it Alt? Yes, it's Alt. Okay. And we put it over here. And right here. So if I were to roll something, so like roll 1d20, we could get the Avray messages up. And that would be a temporary fix before I write the code. So something like that. And I could even crop the top. The font's still kind of small though. Let me roll as one of my characters. This thing always gets broken. But then it says it shows the new message because I'm not in Discord. Is there a way to toggle that off? Oh, now this is showing. Oh, hold on. let me roll again. Nope, it still shows the new message. I couldn't turn that off. Okay, well, I mean, it's... I guess I could crop it more. Yeah, so what time is it? 3:32? I have 30 more minutes. Okay. I feel like the avatars are a little tall. They feel tall compared to like everything else. Is honk working? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's just picking up weird sounds. Honk. Dragon Brethren, what do you think? Does this layout look okay to you? I feel like, okay, I clearly have to redesign me to fit the size of these avatars. Hey, hello, Wild! Welcome in. It looks like this is your first time here or your first time chatting. I am currently working on a layout for a D&D stream, and so... Oh, Sua! Oh, hello! Nice to see you! It's been a while. Yeah, I'm trying... I want to stream D&D games through the Starry Shore server, so I'm trying to create a layout for it right now. It's not quite going. I'm having a lot of conflicting feelings right now. I feel like the avatars on the bottom, like the player characters, are just too large. And of course, I will have to resize myself to match them. But it just feels a little big compared to like the game screen. And then I have like a little bit of like Discord, so we could do like the messages from Discord, like the roles and stuff. Let me maybe make it bigger. Yeah, not player cams. I'm gonna make sure that people don't have to like show their faces. It's gonna be pixel art versions of players' characters. Yeah, character portraits, yeah. What was I gonna do with this? I was going to zoom up. Yeah, they are pretty big, I agree. And the Discord messages are so small you can't read it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me try something else. Let's Yeah, you're right. Yeah, if it was player faces, that would make sense. I'm gonna reset this back to its actual size. 6. Okay, and then let's see. If I were to make smaller avatars, so I have this one. Well, that's just less tall. Sorry, less wide. I need it to be shorter, so let's go back over here. Let me move that image. Maybe. So this would be where it would be, but like if we put it here. Let me do this without the background. Trim. If you use your PNG tuber height as a reference point, yeah, that would probably be good. Okay, let me try this. Okay. That's only the heads. The players should be a bit smaller than me, probably. Because, like, if I were to place these here, I feel like they should be smaller than me. I think I still need to resize myself to be bigger. Because, like, I'm very tiny and I have, like, a full body version of myself, and I don't want to draw a full body of the players. So I should probably, I know what I can do. The large. This one. Yeah, let's just trim that. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here. So that would be like what I could do is like do a larger version of myself around here. And then the players would be smaller, and I think that would be fine. And then their heads just peek out a little bit over, and so they could pop up about that much and then pop back down. Yeah? So they sit here and then they have a little bit of like jumping up when they talk. Mm-hmm. I think that's good. That feels like a pretty good scale. Okay. Okay. That means I need to change myself to be big. I don't want to do live 2D. I really don't want to. I could just change this into a PNG tuber. I don't have to do live 2D for this. I do need to add shading if I do it that way. Okay. This is what I'm gonna go with. I think that means I'm gonna use this sprite size, which does mean I'm gonna be drawing a lot of brown. Oh, this is already cut. Okay, I think sketch-wise, then we'll move this down. That gives upward motion. We go here. So we draw that much, I think. That looks about right. Okay. Okay. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna save this. Oh, it should be a little wider. So, okay, now that's the next question, is like we have them, this gap between them, but I don't want to do a frame because the frame was like too much. It's just fine to have them just sitting there. No, maybe I could do a frame. I don't know if I want to do a frame or not. I think I'll have them... I think I'll have them... honk is slow again. I should just switch to live 2D. Like, maybe just do live 2D for the head. And maybe not even do motion, just for mouth movement capture. Yeah, that would be easy. So basically I just replace honk with a live 2D head. I could do that. Okay, I'll do that for the future, but I do need to use the bigger one. Okay. Okay. how to fix honk again. Yeah, I guess I'll just do live 2D and fix it that way. And just do a live 2D head. And not do any movement with the head. I could do like... I don't want to do sideways because I don't want to do angles. And the rotation of the head is like very difficult. Anyway, 15 minutes left, and then I gotta get ready for dinner. So I'm deciding on like height. So for the, okay, that's what I was thinking about, the shoulders. So if I'm not gonna do a frame, maybe I do half a frame, so like this is not what I want. So if I were to do half a frame, let's get rid of where's the frame? These two. Like if we did something like this. And then maybe did like a scenery in the background, like a small, like, maybe it could be like a little forest scene or like a space scene. And then the bodies would move up and down. So they would normally be here, and then they bounce up and down. Yeah? No. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think with this idea... Oh, thank you for following, Love Murder Rose! And hello! I have been very kind of silent about what I'm doing right now, but thank you for following. I really appreciate it. Yeah, if I don't know if you've been here for a while, but what I'm currently working on is making a screen layout for if I stream D&D, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to be doing with it. And I think this is where I'm gonna be at. I think this is what I want. So people's little pixel avatars on the bottom. I'm on the right-hand side. And then the black area is going to be the map. And I think that should be good. I feel good about this. Oh, thank you, Love Murder Rose. Yeah. It definitely took a few hours for this just to come to this point. I mean, 1.5 hours was debugging my code for the little avatars down below, which is still broken. Can't change your walking avatar. The AI talking animator for each character? Ooh, what's that? It is, it's like, an audience? Oh, so no, this is the avatars of each player. That's what these little purple cats represent. I just haven't drawn different ones. I'm just testing the layout right now. So in theory, when somebody's talking, these little guys will hop up and down while they're talking, because I'm just going to use Discord for that. Audience of purple cats facing the stage. Oh, that is actually really cute. I wish. No. These are dummy cats that are facing the viewer, actually, and they're gonna be the D&D characters. Wild, what is the AI talking animator? I think I'm good with that, so I'm gonna... How much body are we going with? This goes all the way up here. So if I just wanted to jump up, it would probably be... That's... So body here, that's like 2 pixels down, so 2 pixels down, that's the base. And then I make a new, it's alt new, yes. And then this one, the height of this is gonna be probably for 2. Three pixels up? I think it's 4. I can't see any of the... Give me a brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is where it's gonna be at, so... And let's add some... Nope, that didn't twine it. How do I twine again? Nope, that's not what I want. Are you gonna hop off? Okay. Yeah, Wild, I can message you when I'm gonna stream. You can also join my Discord. Oh, no worries, love. And ooh, what pizza did you get? So Wild, I can just direct message you, about it. But have a good time. I forgot how to twine. I haven't done this in so long. I know you can link... Nope, that's not what I want. I know you can link them. This was a take and bake from Aldi. Ooh. Is Aldi... I've never heard of Aldi. Is it like a restaurant or like one of the like frozen pizza brands? okay, I need to look up how to do this. Actually, I should keep this open. A sprite tweening, that's the word. Aldi is a grocery store that treats its workers well, pays fair wages, and isn't terribly expensive. Oh, that's good. Okay, how about a sprite documentation. I swear that there was a way to animate it. Image sprite. Link cells, there we go. Okay. Alright. Okay. They do not have tweening. I thought A-Sprite had tweening. It is linking. That's what it is. So I will just change this. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then set loop section, and I want it to ping pong. Okay. There we go. That looks good. Oh, it's 4 p.m. my time. That is where I'm going to stop, which is really unfortunate because I basically just started. Ugh! Okay, I'm gonna create a new folder called D&D. And this is gonna be, avatar player avatar. Okay, and we're not using this size. Don't save. And the game view. I think we'll save it. I'm good with saving that. Okay. Alright. Well, thank you all for joining. Don't think of it as just getting started. You finished setting up the templates. That is true. You are right. I did finish setting up the templates and getting it laid out. That is true. And now I'm ready to do the avatar work. Because I did need to know, like, sizing and things like that. So, yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay. I feel better. Thank you. In any case, it is now 4 p.m. my time, which is the time that I end my stream for art streams. I definitely feel like I could go for another hour, but I am getting hungry and I do need to eat something. So I will be back at some point. Let's see. I can't stream tomorrow because I'm teaching a class. I could stream Friday, I think. It would be in the morning and not in the afternoon. My time, so it'd be like 3-4 hours before when I started today, I think. Because I'm doing hot pot with my sister, her friend, and my roommate. It's gonna be good. We're gonna eat a lot of food, but I need to go shopping. I should probably just go shopping now and get it today instead of waiting until Friday, but you know, maybe. Saturday, I don't think I have anything. I could probably stream on Saturday and I'll do a video game. I'm thinking if I do stream Friday, it'll be another art stream. But Saturday I could do a stream. Sunday I cannot do a stream because I am running D&D in person. What game should I play on Saturday? I got a few games. Let me see what I got. Where did Steam go? I did get these two games, which might be horror and might have things that are not appropriate for Twitch. I don't know. Or not appropriate for young children, I guess. What else we got? Oh, there was the star named Eos. I did not play that demo when the Wholesome Direct for 2023 happened. We could play London Detective Mysteria. I could just talk about visual novel text. Play LA Noire, Coffee Talk. What else I got? I don't know if I'd be good at Nancy Drew. I feel like I'd be very bad at Nancy Drew. Maybe I'll do Neocab. That one's kind of short. Where the water tastes like wine. I think this was a longer game. I mean, Neocab, look at that space requirement. Just 642 megabytes. That's so small. Not even a gig. There were some Yuri games I got, and they're at the bottom over here. I don't know why. This one has a yandere, which shouldn't be up my alley, but it is. And then this one, you date the Grim Reaper. This one's not Yuri, but it can be BL. You could play as a guy, and I probably would. And this one is also a yandere Yuri game. You know, maybe I should... There's a certain type that I like, which is unfortunate. Yeah. Yes, I have a type. I will never date a yandere in real life because that is bad. That is very bad. It's unhealthy. But in fantasy worlds, you know, I can dream. I think I don't know. I was thinking Nancy Drew, but I'm not sure. Okay. I'm gonna play Neocab on Saturday. Let me just check that I don't have anything on Saturday. I have nothing on Saturday as of currently. So let's play NeoCab on Saturday. I think that sounds like a good idea to me. All right, well, with that, it was nice meeting y'all. Nice seeing y'all. I'm back from my long break. I hope to be streaming a bit more. And yeah. Oh, I need to turn on my phone so I can turn to the turn off screen. Yeah, I guess if I don't stream on Friday, I'll see you on Saturday. Bye, y'all.